The manufacturing industry was being targeted by ransomware, and we really needed an answer to that. In today's world, you need a new approach to cybersecurity. The old disaster recovery plans, yes, they still play a part of your resiliency, of your high availability, but when you're talking about ransomware, when you're talking about cyber attacks, they require a different lens, a different view. The current solution that we had in place did not meet the needs of the business. We had some concerns about their vulnerability to a ransomware, their vulnerability to time to restore, their inability to meet the SLAs that we had agreed on with the business. Rubrik, with their immutable backups, their ability to recover, it allows us to get on more of an offensive stance rather than a defensive stance when it comes to reacting to cyber threats like ransomware. Rubrik has really become our single source for data protection and data recovery across our entire global footprint. And we're talking about multiple petabytes of data that we're protecting and able to recover. And it is across our different cloud platforms, whether it be SaaS or infrastructure as a service, as well as our on-prem environments, both in our main data centers, as well as our edge locations at our manufacturing facilities. Downtime for Simpson is not an option. We pride ourselves in being able to deliver our product to our customers either same day or next day. And any downtime that we experience is a break in that trust. Rubrik's ability to help us during a cyber event is an incredible asset to us as an organization. Not only do they help us protect, not only do they help us recover, but they also help us verify. So as you're going through a recovery, as you're going through a cyber event, you know exactly where you stand, and as you recover, knowing that your recovery is clean and that you can trust what you're putting back on the wire for our users. In technology, one of the toughest things that we're fighting in the cybersecurity world are the zero-day threats. And so with threat hunting, to be able to verify if any of our VMs or any of our data are susceptible to a zero-day, that helps us stay ahead of the bad guys and helps us make sure that we keep our environment safe and secure. Luck is not a strategy, and Rubrik was part of our strategy to make sure that we did not have to rely on luck to recover our environment. Anomaly detection allows us to take action on things before they have an impact on our environment. You don't know what you don't know, but one thing that is very certain for us is that we're very confident in the immutable backup that Rubrik provides for us. It allows me to actually go to sleep at night.